my lovely father calling up, so we're gonna pull over and call him back. Got a little Colombian Cumbia playing on my ringtone. Wow. Yeah, guys, there's not that much wind today. So actually a very, very, very lovely cycle today, guys. Either I'm going with the wind, but before we were going sort of west to east, and I did not feel any headwind opposition, so perhaps there's very minimal wind out today. Well, guys, I'm just happy we got some golf ball today. Very happy. You know, it's the little things that make your day. It's the little things that make you happy. As they say, look after the pennies and the dollars will look after themselves. You know, it's the little things. Well, there's this guy calling now too. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pull over and make a couple of phone calls, set these guys straight. Well, I'm gonna call my dad first, see what the good man wants. What the good man wants, the good man gets. There we are. Alright, guys, so I cut it here. I'm going to speak to my dad, and then we'll continue our lovely segment from our beverage selection. Hasta la ciao ciao. Bye for now. Over and out from the concrete jungle of Chicago.